Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to write a review on Google Maps. And for this, first of all, we need to find a place or a restaurant or whatever to write a review on. Then we click here on the restaurant, and then right now you will see here the rating. And then right now if you click here on reviews, we can click here on write a review, and then right now it starts. Then we can fill in the overall rating. So let's say 4. The food was 4, the service was 5, and the atmosphere was 4. Then you can write down some text, add some photos. We were there for breakfast, and then you can fill in the amount of euros that you spent there. Now you have a lot of more options to fill in, and then after that you click on post. And then right now we just write down a review like we wanted. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was exactly what I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.